Tell y'all the story, man. Take y'all on a walk with me. You listening? Let me tell you a story about a nigga named Lil Billy. About how he came from nothing to taking over the city. He had a lot of dreams and he had his own vision, but he didn't have no money, so no one was fucking with him. He had to get it, but he was too caught up in matching bitches. Smoking gas with bitches, laughing and snapping pictures. Pounding Facebook friends, hashtagging bitches. He was running out of gas on the road to rags to riches. Living too fast, he had to pull over and fill up. Mama on his ass, she told him to pack his shit up and get out and get his own shit. Nigga, you 21, get up on your grown shit. Now he Wi-Fi shouty, couldn't pay his phone bill. Now he homeless, living out of his own will. Damn, that shit is crazy, ain't it? Even worse, the little chick named Asia, he was smashing, got a baby on the way. That shit is crazy, ain't it?